You how to create your video in a way that your video will go viral. There are three things that matters on your video. The three things that determine whether video go viral or not. This number one is your title. Your title determines whether your video will go viral or not. In fact, it's that not all the video you create that will go viral, but there are things you have to put in place so that the advantage of going viral in future. Because if you did not put those things in place, there are tendencies that you may not go viral, you may not get view. Number one is your title. Before starting creating your content, even before when you think of your content, the first thing that should come to your mind is your title. How to create your title, how to optimize your title, how to craft curiosity driving title, a title that entices people. This will determine whether your video will go viral, because title speaks before people see the video. Because once you see video, you don't know what is inside the video. It's like when you see a name, somebody's name, they mention the person's name, you don't know what how the person look like. What you see is the name. Title is just the name of the video. That just determines whether your video will go viral or not. I upload a video one particular time and the video did not really do well because I use a random title, which people normally use. People just upload video, use random title and upload their video. It doesn't work that way. Use title that entice people, title that drive curiosity, title that has value and meaning. This will help people to know whether they will choose to click the video or not. When I created my video, I use a random title for that video and I upload the video did not really do well at all. Even the click-through rate, everything was down. I decided to change the title of something better and something that drive curiosity, something that make people want to know what is happening inside the video. And the video pick. Remember, not picking something that drives curiosity that really matter. It must be something that's also inside that video for you to maintain your CTR to be high. For CTR to be high, your title must say what your video talks about. You must create a well-crafted title. This title will drag people to your channel. That is number one. Number one, as I said, is your title. Your title must stand out. Your title must be perfect for your video to go viral. Another thing that will determine whether your video will go viral or not is your thumbnail. Thumbnail is very important. That is the science part of YouTube. If your thumbnail and title is not okay, people are not going to watch your video. Like you have a very fine video, the video well crafted, everything is perfect inside the video, your light, the audio, everything is okay step by step, but your thumbnail did not really advertise that video. You just put a mess screenshot, so boring, so dull, meaningless, and has a divert meaning. It's not, people are not going to click it. And remind you, once people did not click on that your thumbnail, once people did not click on that, people will not watch that video. And if people did not watch that video, whatever information, whatever package, whatever thing that you work on that video is waste, because if people do not watch it, they will not know what you have inside. So this is the reason to make sure that you craft something smart on your thumbnail, because your thumbnail is like a billboard that advertise a particular product that you are selling. Like I want to buy a house, I went to where they are selling house, I don't really know anybody around that place. What will tell me that somebody is here that is selling that is the billboard. Billboard advertise fine houses that I will see on that billboard. I will believe that these people have fine house. So this is how it is when it comes to your videos. Your thumbnail will speak more about that video. Your thumbnail will drag people to your channel, and your thumbnail also make people to understand exactly what is in your video, because that is why you must not use a thumbnail that says different thing from the title. Your thumbnail must also have the same vision, the same pattern, the same thing your video is talking about. So that is why you have to have a good thumbnail. Thumbnail is one of the reasons bring people to your channel, because as a new YouTuber, you don't really know people. People don't really know your face. Sometimes they scroll past your channel because they don't really know you. A big YouTuber can just snap, she will get thousands of millions of views, but a small YouTuber will upload it. Sometimes you will not even get any view because people did not see what you are doing. That is interested in what you are doing. That is why you have to create that one thing that YouTube give to make people to come to your channel, which is the thumbnail. Your thumbnail must be clear. Don't just put any thumbnail, as I said before, a mess screenshot. Just put it. Don't just put thumbnail like that. Make sure your thumbnail, the written there is bold. Yes, and the pictures that you bring out on your thumbnail must be bold and clear. This will speak well on your videos. And make sure it has a clear direction. Don't upload a thumbnail that speak divert things. Pick one that have a clear direction and that is bold, very attractive, curiosity driving, enticing. So this will attract people to your channel. This is the only leverage you have to bring people to your channel. That is why you have to well craft your thumbnail. Once the idea of creating content comes to your head, the next thing you should think about is your thumbnail, because thumbnail have to be well planned. Some people think it's just to snap something and send out there. No, your thumbnail have to be well planned. You have to manage your thumbnail very well. There's some apps that will help you to create a good thumbnail. You can go to Canva and get some ideas on how to prepare a good thumbnail for your video. The thumbnail will really help your video to go viral. And another thing, the most important thing that will keep people, that will determine whether your CTR will be green or ash or will be dull, is the most important thing is your hook. Hook is one of the keys through which people stay and watch your video. As I said before, I said title. Title is good. It advertises the video. It talks about the video. Thumbnail is good. It advertises the video. It drives people to click. It drives people to want to know. It sparks curiosity. People want to know what is in the video. But what keeps people stay, which is the most important thing, is the hook. Your first 10 to 15 seconds of your video must be smart, must be quick, and must be educative, must be motivative, and must be entertaining. This first 10 to 15 seconds must speak everything about the video in package, and also must deliver educational benefits which will help people to stay. Because if somebody jump into your video and wow, what is this, I want to see, you know, that thing will help the person to want to see and watch the video to the end. But if you start your video with dull greeting, you don't just start video and say, hello guys, my name is this, my name is that, blah, blah, blah. No, people are not going to stay and watch that video. What will make people stay and watch that video is a key point. Let's say I want to make a video on how to get 1,000 subscribers. Now once you click on that video, the next thing you should hear is that how to get 1,000 subscribers, or say, follow me as I teach you how to get 1,000 subscribers real quick. Somebody that is looking for 1,000 subscribers is going to click on your channel and listen to see how to get this 1,000 subscribers. But if the person just open your video and say, hey guys, how are you, the person is going to click off, because everybody using their time and trying to manage some things. So nobody has the time to come and stay and listen to where you are coming from or where you are going. People want to get value from your video. People want to get entertained. People want to get motivated. So that is the reason you have to make sure that you hook people at the first 10 to 15 seconds of them coming to your channel. This will help the CTR to be high. And once your CTR is high, YouTube will keep promoting that video to other people, believing that the video is okay. Because if the CTR is low, definitely very soon, if your CTR keep dropping like that, YouTube will no longer recommend that video to people. You believe that your video is not okay. So that is why you have to make sure these three things that is really mattered in your video: the title, the thumbnail, and your hook. Hook is very important. Hook take people to stay on your channel, and the rest of the video. And once this hook, make sure that the rest of the video is also entertaining. Cut off every flop, anything that's not supposed to be, something like all those dull moments on your video, cut it off. Make sure step by step. First step is smart, second step is start, third step is smart. Somebody want to watch the first step, second step, third step, fourth step, and keep watching. That is why sometimes you see some people's video is always, the CTR is always high, because the video, when you watch it from the beginning to the end, each step keep entertaining, each step keep educating, each step keep motivating. That is what people want to watch, because once people click on your video, they want to grab something. Either they are motivated, entertained, or educated. If they get one of these things, they will not stay on that channel. That is why you have to well package your video. Make sure from your title to your thumbnail to your hook, speak better about the video, and also make the video sound good. So if you find value on what you are doing here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this channel, also share this good news to people that may need it. And also, if you have any question you want to, just type very good at the comment section. We'll get back to you. See you in my next video.